Welcome to
Study time, kids.
Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. It's time for school. Wash face. Wash face. Wash your face nicely. Brush teeth. Brush teeth. Brush your teeth properly. Put on your clothes fast. Put on your shoes. Comb hair. Comb hair. Comb your hair neatly. Packing book. Packing book. Pack your school bag carefully. Make sure all your books are inside. Don't forget your lunchbox. Hurry up or you'll be late. Eat your vegetables. Finish your lunch. Sit properly on the chair. Eat slowly, don't rush. Don't play with your food. Chew your food well. Use your napkin. Don't spill your milk. Wash your hands before eating. Clean your room properly. Put your toys away. Don't leave your clothes on the floor. Help me fold the clothes. Dry your hair properly. Listen to me carefully. Be polite to others. Please share your toys.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.